In this video, we will learn how to convert PowerPoint to PDF in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint and go to the File tab. Then click on the Export option. Then click on the Create PDF document. Then click on the Create PDF. Okay. Now here you can save your documents, your presentation in PDF. First, you can edit your file name if you want to edit it, and you can see here the save file type is a PDF showing. Then if you want to if you want to minimize the size, just click on the option, then click on the publish. There are some options also available here, you can edit accordingly. Just click on the option and you can see here the option dialog box is open. The first is arrange the all current slide and selection. If you want all slide PDF, so select the first option. Current slide, that's here the current slide is showing. So this side will convert it in PDF, only current slides. If you want to select the particular slide, click on the selection option. Okay, then you can select the particular slides. Okay, and here the slides option also available, 1 to 20. In this presentation have a 20 slides, so you can edit if you want only 10 slides presentation in PDF, so you can edit here manually, and you can just click on this arrow to edit the pages of slides. Okay, so here the publish option also available. Publish what? The slides. Just click on this drop down arrow. There are 4 options here: the slides, handout, notes, pages, outline, view. You can select accordingly. And here some option you can select as per your requirement. Include non-printing information, select as per your requirement, other option, and click on the OK, then click on the publish. And that's it, your presentation is converted in PDF. So let's see. So I just click open my documents folder. Okay, and here you can see I just save the presentation. I just double click to open here, and you can see in PDF the presentation is saved. Okay, if you want to print, just click on the print option. You can select here the pages accordingly, and if you want to draw something, you can draw here. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.